George Elmer Pataki is an American attorney and politician who served as the 53rd governor of New York. An attorney by profession, Pataki was elected mayor of his hometown of Peekskill, New York, and went on to be elected to the state assembly and the state senate. In 1994, Pataki ran for governor of New York against three-term incumbent Mario Cuomo, defeating him by a margin of more than 3 points as part of the Republican Revolution of 1994. Pataki would himself be elected to 3 consecutive terms and was the third Republican governor of New York, elected since 1923. As of 2021, Pataki is the most recent Republican to hold any statewide office in New York. Pataki ran for the Republican nomination for President of the United States in 2016, but withdrew early from the race. Pataki was born in Peekskill, New York. Pataki's paternal grandfather was Pataki Janos of Aranyo Zapati, Austria-Hungary. The family name's Hungarian pronunciation is and means creek. Janos came to the United States in 1908, worked in a hat factory, and had married Erzsébet, also Hungarian-born, around 1904. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.